Green is a catch-all word that's being bandied around a lot by the developed world. But here in Trinidad and Tobago, our billion-dollar food import bill suggests that we have gotten out of the habit of feeding ourselves. But the green market in Santa Cruz seems to be trying to push the national consciousness a little further when it comes to environmentally friendly food philosophies. Omardat Maraj, an agricultural economist, says more must be done to educate people on the benefits of supporting local businesses.
Morning the Market hosted an edible talk, which is a continuous series that they normally have to focus on the environment, food production, different strategies and information sharing, of course, between like-minded people. And they also try to offer social space for families to interact in a more holistic environment. But this morning's talk was focused on my message that went off for Easter, which was resurrection and revival, and the need for Trinidad and Tobago to focus on food sovereignty.
He's also putting forward an Eat Local challenge.
Eat Local Day. The market right now is hosting April as an Eat Local month. So there's a challenge where there are a core team of us of 10 people who are trying to survive this month. It's not a diet, it's not a starvation effort, of course, but it's to eat local. So we have gone around the country identifying, for example, we've made down to the finer things as salt. We've extracted seawater, boiled it, and set it in the oven to dehydrate. So that's how finite the challenge can be.
The green market also caters for other crafts and artisans.
It's for people who care about Trinidad and Tobago. It's about people who care about supporting those who produce in this country. And that starts from the farmer to the jewelry designer to everybody in between. But it's also about recognizing that there are local businesses here that can compete. Buying local is not charity, and we're not suggesting that. I know a lot of patriotic feelings are tied into this concept, but it's not about buying substandard products. There are products made locally that can compete with what we buy online, with what we buy internationally, and it's about recognizing that and trying to connect the ecosystem.
Pauline Diaz designs jewelry. She says her experience at the green market has been remarkable thus far.
And I design jewelry with my daughter. Her name is Rebecca Diaz. And our pieces are pieces that we make with love here in Trinidad and Tobago. What it is we enjoy here is that our pieces, as I said before, made by us. So what I'm encouraging people to do now is to buy locally, keep the money in Trinidad and Tobago. And our experience here at the green market, it is fantastic. We look forward to coming every Saturday just to sit down here with our neighbors who are the fudge people, because we have the laughs of our lives that we do not do during the week. And then it's not stressful to be in this market, okay? Sometimes you go out to a market and you do not sell, but you're frustrated because you're just there sitting. But no, here, the ambiance and the company and the music.
Christy Callising, When Caribbean.